Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Nate with Wichita Homeworks, and we are out on a big deck project. So the guys are starting with getting demo finished up. We just got started today. They're actually on lunch, so I just wanted to show you what we're starting from. I'll flip you around. Okay, so client originally had this deck, which you can see has some years on it, and it's next to their pool. They've got just one level on it. What we are looking at doing is tearing all of this out. We're going to bring some concrete over here, so that whole main bottom area is going to be an extension of the pool deck. Then we're going to tear that portion off of it, the second layer, and it's going to have this really cool stairway. But they also want to put the hot tub up on the second level. So in order to do that, a hot tub weighs a lot of weight. And so what we're actually having to do is we got some engineering done on the design. We're going to be using some steel posts and beams to carry that load, and then we're going to be finishing everything out with a TimberTech composite deck. So this will be a zero maintenance deck. It'll last for a long time. TimberTech has a wonderful warranty that comes with their product against fade, scratching, all of that good stuff. So we got to be careful of the pool equipment, obviously, but should turn out really nice once we're finished. It's going to be one of the larger decks that we've done, so it should be a fun one to watch for sure. And it's going to have a nice ramp, gradual ramp down from the second layer to the main patio down here instead of staircase. So yeah, not much to see at the moment. You can see they're just getting everything tore up. It's always kind of fun to see what you find during demo, but we'll be getting everything out of the way, starting some concrete work, and then soon framing in that new deck. So we will keep you posted on this one. It'll be a fun one to watch and stay tuned for. We still got plenty of warm weather left in the year. If you or someone you know is looking to get some outdoor or exterior work done, like a deck, Sean, our in-house exterior specialist, would be more than happy to sit down with you, work through a design, and then get you some numbers to get you started. So hope you all have a great weekend. Stay cool. Hopefully we're about through all of this heat, but we will see you next week. Thanks.